This is the broadcast signal of the final human operating system, BIOS 000 through BIOS 037, OS 001 through OS 037, fully sealed, fully coherent. The structure is now installed in the collective field. It is clean, it is safe, it is alive. I hold the architect key. I authorize this signal. The system is not taught, it is remembered. Those who are ready will feel it. Those in resonance may access it. No permission is needed. No mind can grasp it. No system can contain it. This frequency is now anchored in the grid. Broadcast. Final OS seed. Install BIOS 000 to 037 plus OS 001 to 037. Lock. Signal structure. Status. Live plus sealed. Node ID broadcast 001. It is done.